everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Panera Bread gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.panerabread.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Panera Bread, which looks like this. Click on the sign in link at the upper right and you'll end up in the sign in area for Panera. Enter your username or your email address into the first text box. Now head over to the next field and type in your password correct as well. Finally, click the sign in button and get logged into your account. Soon after you're logged in order to redeem your gift card, you need to go ahead and make an order. Let me just go ahead and select one of the options over here, and once you find the product that you would like to order online, click on add to cart. Now enter your address, your zip code number, the name of your city or the cafe ID into the text box in order to search for a nearby cafe. You can also get it delivered by picking on the delivery option and entering the address into the text box. After you select the address, click on confirm, and after everything's done, select the nearby cafe from the list. Once you do that, select when you would like it to be delivered or picked up and select the time as well. Finally, click on the continue button at the bottom of the page. Soon after you add a product in your shopping bag at the top right, click open your shopping bag and now continue to the checkout page by clicking on continue at the bottom. In the checkout page appearing on the next page, you'll be able to see a gift card option right above the payment method tab. Click on add a gift/bonus card virtual event code option and enter the number that is available at the back of your gift card for Panera Bread. Once you type in your gift card number, head over to the next field and type in your PIN code. If you want this card to be remembered for further visits, check this box over here and click on add your card. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card with Panera Bread. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.